Namaste and welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the mystical teachings of one of the most revered deities in Hinduism, Lord Shiva. Known as the destroyer of evil, the transformer, and the lord of meditation, Shiva embodies profound spiritual wisdom. In this video, we will explore the 7 divine laws of Lord Shiva according to Hindu scriptures and ancient texts. Lord Shiva's teachings have been passed down through centuries, with his wisdom reflected in texts like the Shiva Purana, Linga Purana, and Vedas. Let's uncover these 7 laws that represent the core of his teachings. Law 1: The Law of Creation and Destruction. The first and foremost law is the cycle of creation and destruction. Shiva is the ultimate force behind the constant transformation of the universe. Through his dance, the Tandav, Shiva shows that destruction is not negative, but rather a prelude to creation. This law teaches us to embrace change and recognize that every end is a new beginning. Law 2: The Law of Non-Attachment. Shiva embodies non-attachment. Despite his power, he renounces materialism and resides as a simple ascetic in the Himalayas. His law of non-attachment reminds us that true peace comes from letting go of ego, desires, and material possessions. Inner tranquility arises when we detach ourselves from the temporary and fleeting nature of the world. Law 3: The Law of Balance. Shiva teaches us the law of balance, the balance between extremes. He is both the destroyer and the benefactor. He holds both the power to destroy and to protect. His third eye represents wisdom, while his snake symbolizes control over primal instincts. This law teaches us that balance is necessary in life, and we must learn to embrace both light and darkness. Law 4: The Law of Inner Power. Shiva's divine power comes from his mastery of inner strength and meditation. The fourth law encourages us to connect with our own inner power. Whether it's through meditation, self-discipline, or inner focus, Shiva teaches us that our greatest strength lies within us, not in external validation. Law 5: The Law of Compassion and Forgiveness. Shiva's heart is full of compassion. He forgives even those who are considered wicked, such as the demon Bhasmasura. The fifth law emphasizes that forgiveness is a divine quality. Compassion allows us to heal not only ourselves but others as well. It teaches us to let go of grudges and show kindness, even to those who may have wronged us. Law 6: The Law of Consciousness. Shiva's third eye represents consciousness and awareness. This law teaches us to rise above ignorance and attain higher wisdom. It reminds us that through mindfulness, meditation, and self-reflection, we can awaken our higher consciousness and perceive the deeper truths of existence. Law 7: The Law of Detachment from Fear and Death. Lastly, Shiva teaches us to transcend the fear of death. By meditating in cremation grounds and wearing a garland of skulls, Shiva shows that life and death are merely parts of the eternal cycle. The 7th law is about realizing that death is not the end but a transformation. When we overcome the fear of death, we can live life fearlessly and with greater purpose. These 7 divine laws of Lord Shiva are timeless teachings that guide us toward a more meaningful, balanced, and spiritual life. May we all strive to embrace these principles in our own journey. Har Har Mahadev! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more divine insights and spiritual wisdom. Until next time, Om Namah Shivaya.